Oi fellas, let me show you how to install Apple AirTag into Steam Deck and never lose or misplace it again. Seriously now, here is my LCD Steam Deck and here is this little AirTag that can fit in a Steam Deck easily and both devices will still function flawlessly. This idea is from Blaze2k and I had to test it myself. AirTag has its own battery so it will function non-stop. PCBWay is the place you need for designing and creating your projects. They have it all and for affordable prices. Get your PCBs, PCBAs, CNC or even 3D printing done and shipped worldwide. Make sure to use my referral link linked in description. Also, you can just grab existing community projects like for example these for Flipper Zero. Once again, PCBWay.com and my referral link is in description below. Let me turn my Steam Deck off. While it's powering down, please make sure to subscribe and leave a comment what is your favorite game. I'm such a lame that I play only WRC and GTA 5. So here's my modified back cover. Video about it is here. This AirTag mode will work with original covers and also with OLED Steam Decks. So first of all, grab case and put your deck in, display down. Case will protect screen and joysticks. Yeah, thanks Steam for this design. Next I'll remove my SD card. I'm using Samsung Evo Plus 256GB. Grab Phillips head screwdriver and unscrew 8 screws. 4 in the middle are shorter and 4 outer ones are longer. Make sure to not mix that up. If you want to know how to turn off sounds from AirTag, check this video. Here are the screw differences. Now you can pop off back cover. I use this fancy plastic pry tool, but it is durable even with the fingernails. Just like so. Top and bottom first and then grips areas. It sounds horrible, but all will be just fine. Well, long as you removed SD card and all 8 screws. Make sure to subscribe and I'll do more Steam Deck videos. Time to open it up. I have a special heat transferring design over here. Fresh air also goes through these channels made of heat pads and then air enters the fan. Anyway, that's for another video. We are here for this guy, the air freaking tag. There's enough space in the left grip that AirTag can fit in, just like so. Isn't that crazy? Steam should put there something or just beef up battery for us. Now pay attention. AirTag has steel battery cover, so you have to insulate it, as last thing you want is to short something in the Steam Deck. I'm using balloon. Yes, balloon. That's how I waterproof my AirTags, and it will also work as insulation. Once AirTag in, I'll tie the knot and drop it in the Steam Deck. Still with steel cover away from the PCB. Now the back cover should fit without any issues. Yep, it's on. All clicked and placed. I can see red balloon and all buttons are working perfectly. I was a bit concerned about pedal buttons on the right side, as there is a balloon with AirTag, but all works like a charm. Let me screw in all 8 screws. Remember, 4 inner ones are shorter and 4 outer ones are longer. I always like to start in the middle with screws. You know, I have an automotive background. Done. SD card goes in. One more test of the buttons. Now when all tighten up. Let's turn on Steam Deck. Still works how it should. Oh boy, so many games and I have so little free time. Let's set up the AirTag. Phone should pick up new AirTag automatically. This is greatest invention since sliced bread. I'll connect, give it a name and emoji. Oh yeah, few moments later it's all set. And I can track and pinpoint location of my Steam Deck anytime. I love it. Such a cool mod. In my opinion, tracking should be in all gadgets already pre-installed, or at least manufacturers please leave that space inside so that we can fit an AirTag just like Steam did with Steam Deck. This was super fun to make and share. I hope it will help you in unfortunate situation of misplacing or losing your Steam Deck. Thanks for watching and see you next time.